don't move it at all. And you move.
I wanted to jump on that.
No, I'm doing it. I'm doing another one. Unless David. Actually, David's got it. I don't care.
Are you scared to jump yet?
Hi, I'm Abby.
Hi, I'm Ned.
And we got nominated for the Ice Bucket Challenge. I got nominated by Jillian Goulet and Anna Schneider.
I got nominated by Nick Romanek.
And I'm nominating Valerie Yitma, Chad G, and Josh Romkus.
I thought they started.
Oh shoot, you're nominating whoever I'm nominating.
Well, I am nominating Cheyenne Beranek, Lucy Sampson, and Nicole Mendez.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna put my GoPro on, and then you're gonna see what's happening above us. Oh my gosh, okay.
Neil.
No!
Neil!
What? How far? I don't know. You're not very helpful. This is gonna be a moment.
Come on! Neil!
Ready? Okay.
Go!
We're done!
No, I didn't bring any other clothes.
Hey Jill, you want a hug?
No, I don't want